Conductometry, to determine the amount of HCl and acetic acid in the given mixture of HCl and acetic acid conductometrically. Our requirements are 0.1 normal NaOH, HCl and acetic acid mixture sample and conductometer. Let us see procedure. Pipette out 25 ml acid mixture sample. And transfer in 250 ml SMF. Dilute it with distilled water up to mark. Shake it well. Pipette out 50 ml from it and transfer in 100 ml beaker. Switch on the conductometer. Cell constant must be 0.980 for distilled water, otherwise set it with cell constant button. Evacuate conductivity cell from distilled water. And replace with sample beaker. Now set conductance mode pressing mode button. The reading is 2.34 for 0 burette reading. Now fill 0.1 normal NaOH in microburette. Remove air bubble from burette tip. Again fill 0.1 normal NaOH in microburette. Adjusting at 0 mark. Add 0.5 ml titrant in titrant. And stir the reaction mixture with glass rod. The reading is 2.29 for 0.5 ml burette reading. Switch off the conductometer. Evacuate the conductivity cell. And wash it with distilled water. And insert it in distilled water. Now see the observation table. We have found conductance for the given volume of 0.1 normal NaOH and have done the calculation of corrected conductance as shown, and have plotted the graph of volume of NaOH added versus corrected conductance, from which we could get V1, that is for HCl, and V2, that is for HCl and acetic acid. So V2 minus V1 is for acetic acid. Finally, do the calculation of amount of HCl and amount of acetic acid in the given solution.